So in 2025, Stack Overflow did a study where they had 49,000 respondents respond to it. Stack Overflow is this website where you would go lodge a programming, even a scientific question, and then you'd have community members come in and answer your question. The best answer would be upvoted. I used to be a member with some few points. So yeah, I still find it to be useful. So what are the numbers in this study? The study found out that 80% of the respondents said that they were using AI to generate code. However, their trust level had fallen from an up of 40% in 2024 down to 29% in 2025. This is something I found a bit stacking, mostly because we have been made to think that over time AI models become better, become more intelligent. But that those numbers were seem not to be following that trajectory. 45% of the respondents said that the AI solutions were almost right, not quite right, and 66% of them said they were spending more time in debugging the solutions. 75% of the respondents said that in cases where they don't trust the AI, they would rather ask a human being. So there's something that this study made me realize, um, which I think is a skill issue. And this skill is being able to articulate your prompts in a manner that is less ambiguous. The other day, a client came with an app they had built using, of course, using AI, and they wanted us to do tests around it, and they also had some questions. And among the questions were why they were not getting, in some cases, the expected results. It was some computational. Uh, it was a workflow that had some computation in between, and then at the end of the days, you needed to have summaries. So what we asked them was if they could share or if they could remember some of the prompts they were using for the specific workflows. And therein, we realized that some of the prompts they would give to the AI were not very specific. I can give an example. They would use things like calculate the VAT, which is, of course, you'd think that that is straightforward. But now, AI models, being probabilistic, not deterministic, would do interesting things there. Because VAT calculation is either inclusive or exclusive. If you don't make that specification, say for instance, if it's 1,000 shillings, it will give 160 shillings for exclusive. For inclusive, it will give 137 shillings. See the difference. AI is with us, it will still be with us, but I think we need to learn how to use it appropriately and especially for contexts that sometimes are more specific.